How to use Notion for productivity. Notion is like having Google Docs, Notes app, calendars, to-do list all in one. You can build your own system instead of being forced into fixed templates. Firstly, start with a simple dashboard. Create one main page called Productivity Hub, after which you can enter calendar, task list, goal, notes database. Now this becomes your home page every day. If you make a database, then simply enter your task. You can add columns like task name, deadline, status, priority, category, and tags. There's also board view available, so use that to drag tasks between columns. Also, you can add goals like yearly goals, monthly goals, habit tracker, and progress bar. Make separate pages for class note, lecture summaries, assignments, and exam schedule. You can also embed PDFs, videos, links, images all in one place. Notion also has built-in templates like habit tracker, calendar, Kanban boards, and goals and OKRs. That's all for today. Thank you.